Get on the road faster and easier with the new TruTrack trailer-mounted weight distribution hitch from CURT. TruTrack features a patent-pending trailer-mounted design that simplifies installation and decoupling and prevents the need to uninstall spring bars or remove the hitch when disconnected. This independent two-part system eases uncoupling by keeping the hitch weight on the trailer, eliminating constant lifting with its one-time install. The innovative horn cradles the trailer head, providing effortless coupling, and the single pin secures the hitch. Unique snap-up brackets provide a soft-touch handle with no extra tools or spring bars needed to lift. This trailer-mounted TruTrack is available with 4-point or 2-point integrated sway control to reduce sway, so you can tow with confidence when venturing towards the destinations ahead and focus on doing the things you enjoy with the people that matter most.